Now, after 9 months of football interspersed with some amount of unpredictability, the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League season comes to an end on Sunday when defending champions Cavalier battle Portmore United in the grand final. Christopher Scott reports.
It all comes down to this. After 39 regular season games and 4 grueling playoff matches, the two teams left standing are Portmore United and Cavalier. Now, it will be a familiar territory for Cavalier, having gone to their 4th straight final, winning the title twice during that time span. But technical director of Cavalier, Rudolph Speed, says Portmore United won't be an easy opponent.
Portmore is an interesting team. We'll take tonight and tomorrow we'll sit down and work out what we have to do and then bring it.
There's no clear favourite among the two, but Portmore United could take heart from the fact that head coach Rudolph Speed, along with top players Christopher Ainsworth and Giovanni Leng, who are on national duty, will be missing from the Cavalier setup. But Speed will be quick to tell you Cavalier are not about individuals.
Truth is the family we have. We have a family. Everybody love each other. We work together. When we lose together. When we win together. And but even from our training, we develop a winning mentality, and I think that is what carry us over the line all the time.
For Portmore, this will be their first final appearance since the 2018-19 season, where they lifted the trophy, defeating Waterhouse in the process. They will be walking into the final with confidence, having not lost to Cavalier in the season, with 2 wins and a draw.
We at Portmore, we don't really pick and choose who we play. We just come to play football and get the result that we think we deserve and just come and fight. We don't really prefer anybody. Whoever comes.
With pundits having a lot to say about the team, head coach Rudolph Austin is laser focused on winning it all.
Honestly, I don't listen outside now. It's from I was playing. You know, a lot of people say this and that. I always walk the straight and narrow road. I don't, and people can say whatever.
According to Austin, he knows what must be done to get over the line on Sunday.
Just have to go there and play and try to win the game. Simple. Give it our all and just try to win at all costs. You know, that's how football is. That's how you play a final. Be sensible, but you know, we want to win.
The match is set to kick off at 8 p.m. The curtain raiser at the same venue will be the 3rd place playoff between Montego Bay United and Mount Pleasant for a chance to earn a spot in the CONCACAF Caribbean Club Shield. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.